The FIE Group of companies, it was established in 1953. So today, FIE Group of companies, it's a 2,000 crore industry. In group, there are around 1,200 workers working. So we are manufacturing all the testing machine components and some automotive axles on some simple CNC machines like VMC and HMC. But there we used to have many setups like line boring for axle beams and our testing components. Then with Doosan, it is now very easy that we are making these components in one setup with the multi-axis capacity of the Doosans. Recently we bought Doosan machines like DBC 110 HBM and HMC's 800 pallet size and SMX 3100 a multitasking machine, then long length turning machines like ULY, Puma ULY. On this new Doosan machines, particularly on SMX, we are aiming to machine crankshafts and camshafts for engines. Then DBC 110, we are aiming machine tool castings on that because the accuracies which require are very high. And with this setup here with the Doosan, we are able to achieve less than 10 microns of all the accuracies. So components like axle beams for trucks, the quality requirement, especially the concentricity of the two bores is very tight. So they require around 50 microns of accuracy in these two bores. With Doosan and especially its additional access, we are able to achieve this machining within 20 to 30 microns, and that too with very less setups. So this has impacted onto the cycle time up to 50%. So when we visited this Korean facility where Doosan machines are made, so there we got delighted very much because of the working culture, the strength of the machines which they are machining on, the style of the machine guideways and the quality of the work there was pleased us very much. The quality of the spindles they are making in-house is just outstanding. So we choose to buy Doosan machines because they are very affordable for the quality required and the range of machines which Doosan is having with them. That were the prime reasons to go with Doosan. So after purchasing this versatile and very complex machine, the application support is the must thing which all the customers need. With Doosan, they have a presence in nearby city here. So for application, we have no problem with Doosan. For the service support, they are just in the same city. So when we call them, they are here in 1 or 2 hours. So for service and the spares, the availability is no problem. Yes, we would recommend Doosan for the nearby industry because of its cost and the versatility.